You're watching Let's Chat.
Welcome back and good morning. Dr. Sean Jones joining us this morning from Chattanooga Wellness Center to talk a lot about something we've all heard a little bit about, and that is TEC, Targeted Electromagnetic Contractions. First of all, Dr. Sean Jones, good morning.
Good morning and Merry Christmas to you.
And same to you, sir. Targeted Electromagnetic Contractions.
Yeah.
TEC. What is this?
It's awesome stuff. We've been doing it now since last month. We got the machine in after I was on here last month, and it's really cool. What it does, it sends electromagnetic waves into the body. And so instead of using electric stim to make your muscles contract, it makes the muscles contractibility do it itself.
Really?
We're not stimulating it separately. And so you do 20,000 sit-ups if you're on your abs in 30 minutes. Or if you're doing the buttocks, 20,000 crunches in 30 minutes. Or your arms or your thighs.
Wow, that doesn't seem possible.
Yeah, well, I can't do it without help. I can't do 20,000 sit-ups. But the cool thing is it starts to replace the muscle with fat. So I'm down 20 pounds since last month. Here, I'll show you guys.
All right, yeah, you are. Yeah. I noticed that when you came in.
20. I mean, I had 90 to go, so I got 70 more to go.
Wow.
But I'll get there. And so the TEC is a fantastic machine. There's no pain with it. The skinnier you are, the less energy it takes to make the muscles contract. So I go up towards max of the machine because I want to get all the way down to my muscles, right? My employee, Shauna, that we just showed a picture of, man, she has done tremendous. She, just in a week, she lost 11 pounds, and she's not even dieting. She's just using the machine.
So you said it is not painful at all. Is it invasive at all?
No, not invasive. There's certain contraindications. If you're pregnant, being treated for cancer, you know, common sense stuff.
Sure.
If you can do an MRI, you can use these machines. Because if you have stainless steel implants and you can't do an MRI, we're not supposed to use it. Now, if it's in the shoulder, we could probably do the tummy, but you can't get too close to the metal because it could irritate it.
You mentioned a moment ago that 10,000 setups or 10,000
20,000.
20,000.
In 30 minutes.
It would take me probably a year to a year and a half to do that many.
Me too, brother.
Me too. Then. How long does it take one of these treatments in your office using this new machine?
It's always 30-minute treatments, and we have two parts to it. We have the TEC where we can target the body, and then we have the pelvic floor issues too. And I tell you, I'm amazed by this. I've got on our YouTube channel, you can see testimonials of some of our patients that sat on each one that has sat on the pelvic thing has stopped their bladder incontinence greatly in just one treatment. A lot of them, one of them ran home and was jumping on her trampoline to see with her kids if she'd leak, and she didn't. Another one, she had to pee real bad, and I told her, hey, cough. No, I said cough. So she coughed and ran back and said, I didn't wet. I'm so excited.
So they feel good after the treatment is over.
Yeah, it's a cool feeling because most of your muscles in your pelvis are involuntary. So you can't control except for the ureter and the sphincter.
Right.
Everything else is involuntary. And so it makes them contract 20,000 times, and they've done studies where after 4 treatments, you can see the bladder lift up on an ultrasound, just like you had bladder tack surgery.
Only 30 seconds left, Dr. Sean. Tell us how much it costs to begin this process.
Tell you what you do, you have a choice. You can do either one of them for $99, or you can do both of them for $149, but you can't do them at the same time.
Sure.
You can do it and then do the one right afterwards. There's no reason not to try it out because it works tremendous. We keep our fees down much lower than anybody else in the tri-state region for doing this pelvic stuff.
Sounds like a wonderful thing, and it's a perfect gift for you, for someone you love.
It'd be a great Christmas present, yeah.
It would be.
Holiday present.
Or any sort of present at any point in the future. Give us a website for more information.
Yeah, EMBladder for electromagneticbladder.com or shapesculpting.com. Either one will tell you more about these services we have among all our other services we offer at the Health Wellness Centers.
Dr. Sean Jones, thank you so much. Chattanooga Wellness Center. Find out more by checking out these websites, and you make sure and stick around. This is Let's Chat.